So we got 3 more air conditioners in Old Greenwich, Connecticut. And the first one here, we have an OxBox with a Welling fan motor. And what appears to be an LG compressor. And it's from, I can't even see the serial number on some of these. Oh, it's all the way down here. And this looks like something Sony would make up. It's impossible to decode. And then we got a Carrier TECH2000 with a little baby sock on it. How cute. With a GE fan motor and a Copeland reciprocating compressor. It's from 2003. And then finally we got this thing right here. Carrier Performance, Copeland scroll, and a from 2013. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, watch, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.